we'll guide you through how to make Steam profile invisible. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, head over to the Steam shortcut icon. Once you locate the shortcut, place your cursor over it and double left-click to launch the Steam application. Wait a few moments while Steam fully loads and signs you into your account. After the application is opened and ready, look toward the top right side of the screen where your account information is displayed. Click on your profile drop-down menu to reveal additional account options. From the drop-down list, select View My Profile to continue to your profile page. When your profile opens, direct your attention to the right side of the screen and look for the Edit Profile button. Press the button once to open the Edit Profile Settings page. After the Settings page appears on your screen, focus on the left side where several profile options are listed vertically. Scroll through the available settings until you find the Privacy Settings option, then click it once to open the Privacy menu. In the Privacy Settings section, look for the area labeled My Profile. Next to this section, you will see a drop-down button that controls who can view your profile information. Click on the drop-down button to display the available privacy options. Move your mouse over the list and select the Private option from the menu. Choosing this option will immediately make your profile details hidden from other Steam users. After changing the profile privacy setting, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Steam window. Look for the Friends option located in the top menu bar and click it once. A small list of status options will appear on your screen. Move your mouse down the list until you see the Invisible option. Click on it once to change your online status to invisible. After completing these steps, your Steam profile and online activity will now appear invisible to other users on the platform, giving you more privacy while using Steam and playing games without interruptions from your friends list or unwanted messages online.